What's up, y'all? SCS, and I'm back with another one. But I'm back. I'm about to go check out the box Chevy. Y'all seeing it just like I'm seeing it. Oh. What's up? You start sanding on it?
Huh?
Start sanding on it?
Yeah.
So, what's going on, y'all? I picked this bad boy up from the paint shop. Y'all seen the video, and called me and said the thing ain't starting. So that's what I went up there for, to get it started. But I thought the car was done. The car wasn't done, which we didn't mention it. But basically, the car wasn't done. So I said, all right, pick the car up. Which that really ain't the way, you know what I'm saying, I like to do it. If the car ain't done, why I'm coming pick it up? But I ain't got time to be going back and forth and all that gas time, hours out the day, multiple days. Like, I ain't got time like that. I still got to make money to pay everybody and eat, feed people. Like, man, I ain't got time to be, you know what I'm saying? So I tested the fuel pump. I'm like, damn, this fuel pump working. Once I took it out of everything, I'm like, damn, this fuel pump working. Then I did a continuity test on all the wires. Everything was good except from this harness to the pump. And then I started looking. I was like, man, there gotta be something in this chain. And then I seen this bubble on the side. I was like, yep, that's my problem. So from the turbo dump, I'm about another sending unit, which it got the same pump. I'm about another sending unit, and then I'm gonna upgrade the wires because that's gonna need a lot more fuel than this car. And yeah, so it's good now, man. It's good now. Like about right at this point, it'll start sputtering a little bit. So I guess that was the issue all along. I'm gonna clean the ground that's attached to it, and that's the ground wire that got burnt up. So I'm gonna clean the ground wire, and then I gotta redo the ground that's on the car body. So I'm gonna do those in the next few days. Yeah, man, cop been seeing it after it's been painted. They gotta get cleaned and washed again and everything like that. And I gotta do a test fit on my rims and all kind of stuff. But got new headlights. I'm about to buy these new corner markers. I'm gonna take this bumper down and put it under like it's supposed to. Which I might do another bumper because I got the bumper up here with the guards on it. And then I don't think that came on the 88. And then this just got the regular smooth bumper. So I might just do new bumpers. I don't know. I'm doing the power window conversion. I'm doing new handles. I got the ones for that side. I'm probably put those on.
1 year later.
What's going on, y'all? It's 1 year later again. I swear, it's like this year's another year. That's what I be saying, man. I don't have the time, man. But I'm going to get a battery for this car right now. I'm gonna put it in my truck, and I'm gonna drive this car out. And I'm gonna talk to y'all, but I'm not gonna show the stuff I'm talking about, the imperfections. I'm not gonna show no imperfections. Damn, you know, hit the damn tree with the trailer. I ain't gonna talk about the imperfections, man. But let me get this battery, and then I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get back to the house. And I went and bought the battery, or swapped the battery. I forgot it's battery in the car, and it still got some juice. So car ready to drive now. Show y'all something. Hey, I'm telling y'all, man, it's about. I cut the camera off, man. I'm telling y'all, it's about to get real live, bro. Like, cause I got the time now. Well, for to give y'all a little brief overview, like, I mean this stuff in the most humbling way, right? When I said, it was a year ago, I said, I can't like, I'm gonna just keep it plain and simple. Look. At the time, I'm paying the paint man, I'm paying the dirt man, I'm paying the concrete man, I'm paying for all these materials. Ain't no way, if I'm paying you for something and the job is done poorly, like, come on, man, it don't make sense. Like, I'm wasting my time that I'm spending working to make money to pay you. Like, please don't give me no halfway bullshit. That's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say. Now, another thing, I said when I was getting this car painted, I said, I don't expect show quality, but do your best. Basically, is what I said. I said, I don't expect show quality. Don't ever tell a person that, because that, he took that as, yeah, he said it ain't gotta be all that, which is not what I was getting at. I was saying I'm not expecting a $20,000 paint job, right? $4,200 ain't no little money. And still wanted to be paid in full, even though it was a bunch of knick-knack stuff. Wanted to pay for wet sand and buff, even though he had runs in the paint. I was like, bro, how you want me to pay for the wet sand and buff? Because of something you did. Like, man, it's just common sense, man. Like, that ain't make sense to me. So, said, whatever, fuck it. That's why I be telling people I'm finna start going to Mako. People laughing, people making jokes. I'm finna start going to Mako. Watch, I ain't finna deal with this shit. So, this roof getting cut off. That's why I said I don't really care about the paint right here. Cutting all this shit off. Fuck a G6. I'm taking this shit out, man. Tired of this damn roof. And look, the roof is cracking. Like, I don't know if this from, oh yeah, I had got nicked my damn hand, nicked the vein, the blood still in the shop. I'm finna clean all that up today, but I ain't been working. Paint cracked. Like I said, I don't know if that's from the body work, or if that's from the roof being heavy, or if that's from the body work I did. I don't really care. Like, whatever, it's done. But I'm taking this damn roof out. The roof broke. Like, how? The car ain't even never been out and the roof broke. The roof broke. Like, don't open no more. Taking that shit out, man. Fuck that. I ain't finna deal with that. But I'm gonna cut all this. I'm gonna do a cut here. I'll do a cut in this area. And I'm just gonna take the whole skin off. There go my new one right there. And shoot, we gonna call it done. I ain't about to deal with that. Cause this car's supposed to been done last year. And that stopped me. I ain't gonna put my 10,000, well, really more now, shit, full interior. With all the accessories in the trunk, $20,000 interior stuff in here, and water, mildew, all that from the car being outside. Which, like I said, I got a bankroll in this car, man. Bankroll. It might not look like it, but I got a bankroll in this car, and I cannot let this car sit outside. I need the floors and all that stuff. Y'all seen it, all the epoxy. That stuff can come out, and I got to redo the mounts and stuff because I'm switched to LS seats. But yeah, man, it's definitely time. I got the time now, but yeah, it's definitely time, boy. I still got a little bit more stuff I need to do around the house, and I ain't gonna really speak on what I'm trying to do, but I got a little bit more stuff I got to do before I could head just on this. And this one, it's like all the way from scratch. So the blue box Chevy, I'm gonna finish first, then the dump, because all of them still got pieces. I just gotta tweak and twist and do a little bit of this and that. But this one is me, start to finish, all me, and I can't wait, man. I can't wait, boy. Man, just wait. And then once that's situated, this was supposed to be my turbo car. It's still gonna be my turbo car once all that gets situated. Like I say, I got some more time. I got 60 hours a week more now. So once this out, with the interior going in tomorrow probably. Once that's out, and then this, then I'm on here. But I'm gonna do some small stuff in between. I still gotta do the trans for that gold box Chevy, which I can't really do much because my hand right now. The black box Chevy needs some body work and it's going to Mako. My Landau going to Tennessee to get painted. July 1st, I should be ready for him. Man, y'all just gotta stay tuned, bro. I ain't even gonna really explain too much. Y'all just stay tuned. But yeah, man, I just want to give y'all a little overview. Like, I'm cutting this whole roof off, and yeah, that's it. But other than that, I think I showed y'all what I wanted to show y'all. SES, man. I'm out. Let me get my thumbnail. Also, forgot to add, do got my gauges. I was going with a black HDX, right? But y'all seen the interior color, it's like a brownish orange. and it's something I ain't never seen. That's why I went with it, right? The outside silver, I was gonna do that brownish interior with black accents, but the car silver. So I was like, man, you know what? I'm gonna just have to go with a silver HGX, which I didn't want to, but I got a silver HGX right here. And we just gonna do silver and chrome accents throughout the car and trunk. So yeah, man, about another few weeks, man, I'll be able to start putting all this stuff in here. But I gotta order door handles, because I think those broke over there. I need an interior door handle, which I gotta get off another door in my storage. I gotta change all my felts, my weather stripping. This one ain't got nothing. So I got the recipe now. I know what to do. I know how to do it and all that stuff. So man, I'm trying to tell y'all, it's definitely about to get live for real. But yeah. Look, this one needed to. Everybody was like, yeah, you sold this car. I ain't sold nothing. I don't gotta sell nothing. All I do is work. I ain't never gotta sell a car if I don't want to. Right now, amen. But yeah, Chevelle about to get bust down too, man. So much stuff going on, boy. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it off, man, because I'm about to do some work.